Thokozani, sanibonani, amen. Nikhuluma nomkhulu ngabe nikhuluma nomama unkosazana Isanusi sezulu, a spiritualist, umthandazi, right? There's lots of people that I get, guys, abaphuma ephehlweni. Uphuma kanjani ephehlweni? Uphuma ephehlweni uyagula. Uphuma ephehlweni akukho sithunywa esiphakamile. Akukho whatever ephakamile leyo bekuthiwa iyaphakanyiswa. Awukwazi ukuhlola, awukwazi ukulapha, kodwa kuphela imali. Kwaphela amandla, kwaphela nothando, kwasala confusion. Before umuntu mhlambe kuthiwa uyam-initiate or uyamthwasisa or umenza whatever, before uthatha imali yomuntu, before utshela umuntu ukuthi yena azohlala kwakho, why don't you heal the person? Ukhanyimba once said there's lots of people that are going ephehlweni because those people are depressed. Part of what she said, it was true. If you remember Kanyimba's video, part of what she said, it was true. People are depressed. People bayagula. Bagu chronic medication. Why? Why don't you heal the person first? Because what I do, I heal the person. Comprehensive healing. If a person uyagula or umuntu umqondo wakhe, you heal a person comprehensively, you know. If umqondo wakhe umuntu uphambene usangene usehlole kakhulu usehlukumezeke kakhulu. That's what we call spiritual abuse. Spiritual abuse. You heal the person first. Because beza lapha kimi bakwatile ngifuna ukuziphindiselela mkhulu ngicela umphinda ngishaye ngifuna imali yami back ngenzani mina ngumthandaza ngizenze lezo zinto lezo. I heal a person. I heal a person. Ahile umuntu ahile umuntu mayesepholile, they start to discover ukuthi akunalo kwalelo dlozi bengiphethwe depression. Because lots of people that are spiritually gifted and spiritually confused bakuma psychiatric wards, then psychiatric hospitals, bakuma psychiatric ward. So when as a healer, when a spiritual patient comes, mhlolele kahle, indaba iqala ekuhloleni. If you can't hlola a person, if umoya awuzi, thumela umuntu somewhere, umtshela ukuthi ngicela uhambe uyohlola somewhere. Khona abantu, khona abanye abelaphi that are gifted in healing. Kodwa kumele umtshela ukuthi ngiphethwe ukuthi nokuthi nokuthi. But then there comes a time whereby this person don't even know ukuthi ngiphethwe yini, but ngiyagula, but angazi ngiphethwe yini. Then that's where you start your divination. And you go deeper into divining for this person so that you come up with a spiritual diagnosis that is going to help this person to heal. Do you get what I'm trying to say, or I'm being haphazard or what? Because ukuswela ulwazi kuhloga tsebo, little knowledge. It's a problem because you're going to initiate, the person is going to be initiated wrongly because they've got little knowledge of the spirits that are guiding them, or they are depressed, like Kanyimba said. It was true. Part of it was very true. It's not a lie. And then the depression will be worse and worse and worse and worse and worse. Lapho uvuswa busuku, abanye barepa, abanye bagqilazana entwasweni lapho. Then it becomes worse. The sickness becomes worse. Mina, my view, if you are a true healer, let's heal the person first. Heal the person first. Assess the person. Because with healing, that's when the person is going to discover, where do I fall in my gift? What is my gift? What is my gift? After the person is healed, Not during the confusion. Hey, ngikhathele. I get people that comes from who is who. That comes from famous healers. But they can't do anything. They can't help me even with little bit. Because no one will claim they know everything. But I'm telling you, I'm getting people that are sick, that are depressed, that were initiated wrongly. Bagcwele ngobuhlalo namabhayi ungazi usho ukuthi uzovela athi ba kodwa ayikho into ayenzayo. Kuphela imali, kuphele yonke into. Nami ngiyafuna ukukhanyiselwa bakwethu. So ngithola abantu nje abathe emkhulu sengikhanyise ngaze ngaqeda ngicela ungisize. Nami I'm not a charity organization. So before abantu befakwa ephehlweni, abacheck status sabo sokugula, abahile abantu ngaphakathi nangaphandle, abahlolelwe abantu ukuthi iwuphi umoya okuphethe. Ngoba hey kunzima guys, abantu bathwasisiwe la kimi bagcwele, abantu bayagula. I have to start from scratch to heal this person ngaphakathi nangaphandle. I have to start from scratch ngimtshela ukuthi lamabhayi la never, these were not, or these are okay. How bantu asakheni isizwe selaphe kahle abantu ngikhathela ama corrections because mabefika kimi abasena mali. Mina ke ngiyithatha phe yami inkomo angeke phela, angeke. Kumele ngibe ngibasizile benjalo bengenalutho because kuba isono. It becomes a problem, it becomes painful and confusion on top of that. They get so much confusion. Our foot ngiyabonga mina.